Esta noche, we ride!
I'm in San Diego, getting ready to cross over to the Mexican side. It's been a long drive through California, but 13 miles away.
To all the people feeling down in this town, lift your ears to the words and your soul to the sound. When life knocks you down, you gotta pick yourself up. Said there's no slacking up, ain't no giving up.
Sigo moviendo, radio, la chusma. Mi movimiento ya baila en cantinas y apartamentos. Bailo tango, pego duro, más con chicles, tengo viejas de montón. Deja que la banda toque, deja que te comas de morón. Como me gusta que la mujer mexicana le meta el razón. Cumbia, mamba, salsa, ramba, zampa. Yo sigo con el sonido que te trajo el movido.
Exactamente. Mueve tu cuerpo como si quiera corrido. Todo lo que pido es que baile conmigo. El estilo hits wrong when you hit a song. We move the city like King Kong. There's nothing wrong with a full booty with a pretty tongue. Bouncing on and on like a seesaw. If you're in the dead end, if you're just getting by, lift up your head and your hands to the sky. Life is too short for staring at a clock. Get up and keep on moving to the rhythm that rocks. El sonido de Ganslan que mueva a la gente. Le tragan como pan y jalea como siempre.
Here I am in I'm in Mulahay, Baja Sur. Gonna head to somewhere and camp on the beach tonight. I stopped, saw this little cemetery, and I guess this is the chapel. Anyhow, this is the best motorcycle trip ever.
Stay on the path, keep it on the track. Always looking forward, never looking back. High as the sky, down to the ground. You gotta get up to get down. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
It's Wednesday, and here I look at the Sea of Cortez. It's beautiful.
I'm gonna sing for the good time. I'm gonna sing for the bad time. I'm gonna sing till my thing don't mean a thing. I'm gonna sing it in a chuco style. Keep on moving on, you got to keep on moving on. Keep on moving on, you got to keep on moving on. Keep on moving on, you got to keep on moving on. Keep on moving on, you got to keep on moving on. Say, I'm gonna dance right here.
Just outside of La Paz, waiting for the ferry. Well, I'm still waiting to get on the ferry. It's been about an hour and a half of sitting here. Took a nap on my motorcycle. Looks like it's getting closer. Looks like most of the semis are getting loaded on. You can see behind me. Try that. Since it does seem like I'm going to be the last one on the boat, hopefully that means I'm going to be the first one off when we get to Topo La Bampo. I hope. Hopefully I'll be the first one off when we get there. I was the last one to get on the boat today. Put my motorcycle on last. I waited 2.5 hours. In about 9 minutes this boat should be leaving to Topo. It's been a hell of a stay in the Baja, but I'm really excited to get back on the road.
Come on, everybody, let's pick it up some more. Hey! Hey!
Yoko, tell us about our lovely dinner here.
Most delicious Mexican meals I've had today.
It was so extravagant.
Rock hard crispy bread. That's like a local delicacy.
Craft processed cheese.
Also local.
Also local.
How was the unisex bathroom?
Looks like you're going in together.
You guys want to go up on the deck?
Yeah.
Okay. Lucas from Germany. Daniel from Germany. States not too long ago. About a week and a half camping around Mexico, living like a cowboy. About 20 miles outside of Las Vegas. Gonna go in and surprise the ex-girlfriend. See how she likes that. Right now I'm at Hoover Dam, so you can see that. So nice to be back in the U.S. I already miss Mexico though.